Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve a simple interest problem. Let's look into the question. Divide 15,600 into two parts such that the interest on one part at 5% for 5 years may be equal to that on the other at 4.5% for 6 years. So first we will make a framework of this question. There is an amount 15,600 that has been divided into two parts. One part is x. Then what about the other part? Obviously it's going to be 15,600 minus x. So for this part, we are calculating the simple interest, and for this part, we are calculating the simple interest. So for this, for the first part, so I can consider this as P1 and consider this as P2. So for the principal P1, we are having the rate of interest as 5% and the time duration as 5 years. Right, and for the principal P2, the rate of interest is given as 4.5%. So 4.5 we can convert that to an improper fraction, which is 9/2%, and the time duration is going to be 6 years. And what they have mentioned over here, if you calculate the simple interest for the first part and if you calculate the simple interest for the second part, both the interest are going to be equal. This is what the framework of this question. So can we start doing this? So our condition is what? Simple interest 1 is equal to simple interest 2, and we know the formula for simple interest, just PRT by 100. So simple interest 1 means it is P1 R1 T1 by 100, and over here simple interest 2 P2 R2 into T2 by 100. So now we are going to replace all the PRT values with the given data. So over here P1 is X and R1 is 5, and here T1 is 5 divided by 100, and over here on the simple interest 2, P2 is going to be 15,600 minus X, and R2 is 9. So in the denominator 2 also is there, and the time duration is 6 year, and as usual as per the formula 100 is also there. So now we can cancel this 100 and this 100, and 2 is for 1 time and 6 will go for 3 time. So can we simplify this? 5 5s are so 25x I'm writing, and over here 15,600 minus x, 9 3s are 27. Still we need to simplify this. 25x, so we'll multiply this 27 with 15,600 as well as with x. So if you multiply 15,600 with 27, we will be getting before that equal to 4,21,200 minus 27x. And so what you will be getting, we'll move this 27x to the other side, LHS, so it's become positive. 25x plus 27x equal to 4,21,200. So if we add 25 and 27, we will get the answer as 52x, which is equal to 4,21,200. So using this we can find the value of x. So what is the value of x? Which is 4,21,200 divided by 52. So if we solve this, we'll get the value of x as 8,100. So now we found the first part. How much amount is the first part? It is 8,100. What about the second part now? It's nothing but 15,600 minus the first part. So what is the amount over here? It is 7,500. So this is what our second part. So the second part, the other part is going to be 7,500. So this 15,600 has been splitted into 8,100 and 7,500. So this is the answer for this question. Hope you understood. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.